Alright everyone, today we're going to look at the structure here, trading RTY but on a 15-minute chart. I know that may seem high for a lot of you guys, but let me show you a few things. First thing you want to do is draw a line. So it's trending down right here. We also have this indicator from A+ setups. Not necessary to have this at all. We look for the crosses going up or down. The main goal here is to get a lot more profit with a lot longer term trade. So most of these trades are going to be 15, 20 minutes, maybe more. Let's let this price action play out here. We're looking for an upside move like the previous one, back towards the top. Hopefully we'll go all the way to the top. I have this set on 3 contracts. I don't have a stop loss on here because I'm going to add it after I enter the trade. And we're going to be looking for a couple thousand if we can get there. I'd like to see this turn up. Usually with RTY, the good thing about it is once it gets going in an up move, it really goes. Same thing with a downtrend. This here was a news trade. This may take a minute, but it should go up. All right, I'm going to go ahead and enter it there. Put a stop loss in here. Let's let it roll. Move our stop up a little bit. Hopefully it'll go all the way to the top. Appears to be doing pretty well here. All right, we're still going up. A lot of times you can find right after the open, the RTY usually will make a fairly explosive move, either to the downside or the upside. And that's right when you want to catch it. Move our sell stop to break even here, a little above it. Hopefully you guys will watch this till it ends so you can see the potential. Got stopped out. That's okay. Still made a profit. Stop was a little too close. Alright, now it looks like we're going to get going here. Notice how this is crossed up over the moving average there. Alright, now we're getting somewhere. Should be able to make it to this top swing level where we hit it once there. Hit it twice there already. Thing about the RTY, it is a lot slower than the NQ. However, you just got to be a little more patient with it. Almost there. There's our 2000. Let's see if we can get to the top. Just about there. Here it goes. I'm going to lock in 2K no matter what. 25, 26, that's good. Alright, you guys, so you get the point. Longer term trades. And make sure you draw these lines. If it was back here, the line would be going up here for the downtrend. Alright, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.